How much money is your fleet costing you without you even realizing it? Fuel waste, idle time, time theft, high insurance premiums, lost assets, untracked or unauthorized usage, and poor asset utilization. It adds up every single day. Many fleets still operate with limited or no real-time or historical visibility. You don't always know where vehicles are, how they're being used, or where inefficiencies are creeping in. And without real data, you're left guessing, while costs keep rising. Trackem GPS gives you complete visibility into your fleet and valuable business assets, so you can reduce costs, improve performance, and run a tighter operation. Track every vehicle live from your phone or desktop, with precise location updates and full route history. See how your vehicles are actually being used. Monitor idling, speeding, movement, and driving time. Track fuel usage, fills, idling, and trends to identify waste and reduce unnecessary costs. Get real-time alerts for key events like speeding, idling, unauthorized movement, or vehicles entering and leaving geofences. Turn your fleet data into actionable insights with detailed reports on mileage, hours, stops, job times, performance, and asset utilization. With Trackem, you're not just tracking vehicles. You're optimizing your entire operation. Reduce fuel costs by cutting idle time. Improve accountability with real driver data, and boost efficiency with real-time insights. Keep the fleet well-maintained with maintenance management and alerts, and uncover inefficiencies that were previously invisible. Know where all your valuable business assets are at all times. That's how businesses turn fleet data into real savings. Trackem also helps you stay ahead of maintenance with service reminders, repair tracking, and full vehicle history, helping you reduce downtime, save fuel, and extend the life of your fleet. And beyond vehicles, Trackem lets you track equipment and assets so nothing goes missing and everything stays accounted for. If you're ready to take control of your fleet and start cutting unnecessary costs, book a demo with Trackem and see where your savings are hiding.